You're watching BDN TV.
Get away from my car.
Come on!
Get away from my car.
Really, you? Boy? Get out of your car, boy! Son!
Go somewhere, crazy.
No, I'm not crazy. Get out of your car now.
You don't
Yeah,
want me to
eating your McDonald's?
You don't
Get
want
out
me
of
to
your
go
car.
straight.
Come on. Come on now. I'm so ready to fight club this. Let's go. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Me.
Oh. Get a degree. Go to school.
I am what I
Go
eat.
to school.
I am what I eat. You see my car
Going
versus your
McDonald's?
car.
You're eating McDonald's? Go to school.
You see my car versus your
Go
car.
to-
Bye. Bye.
Make $1 million a year, you
McDonald's.
son. No, I'm not eating at McDonald's. I was getting a coffee at McDonald's. You?
That's not
$2
eating?
bill?
That's not eating?
Get out of your car. Get
Go
out
home.
of your car.
Go home.
I'm here. No,
Go home.
come on.
Go home, Miss
Come on.
Washington. Take us home.
Come on. No, get your out of your car. Are you gonna post this? Because you look like a right now. With your get a degree. Go to school. Go to school.
Media plus neoliberals will be mute. She's a bright, well-connected, sadistic sociopath. Talking about Hillary Clinton.
There ain't nothing wrong, you can pick and choose. Just don't call tomorrow.
Oh my god! What are you doing? Go!
Gotta go, just got side swiped.
Got spoiled when I was in Tampa and we rented that car, so now there's certain features I like. That was nice. That was nice to have.
Wow! Holy sh!
What's wrong with you people?
Is this the best thing you have to
Joseph.
do today?
No, I had a fine day. I don't want to have anything to do with you guys.
We don't either.
Stop running your mouth at me and I won't react to you.
Got it.
I want nothing
sorry.
more than to rip off your head and spit down your throats.
Got it. Yeah, we're sorry.
You cyclists screw up all the streets.
Okay.
Like, you're unbearable. You run around in your spandex and your baggy little helmets. And then you run your mouth at me as I try to drive to work?
Sorry about that.
I'm sorry Elon Musk said things that hurt your feelings.
No, we were mainly we were just trying to poke fun at the gas pedal issue.
Yeah, you're trying to be.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, yeah. We were honestly, it was just the recent the gas pedal headlines.
When you
The recall.
people when you're on your bike as they drive by.
Well, we get
Talk shit to them
we
for
get
no reason?
we get heckled a lot by people in cars, and we're sorry. We're just being stupid kids. Yeah. Honestly.
Someday you're gonna say the wrong thing to the wrong dude.
Understood.
Might have been that dude.
Understood. Yeah. Sorry about that.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you're
Yeah, I wholeheartedly recommend that against that. But
thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I hope I can post more for y'all in the near future. With love, DDS.